Welcome to Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. For today's episode, we are going to find out how to create a multi-table pivot table by using Power Pivot. Pivot tables are useful tools to analyze data. The default pivot table only allows one table analysis. To be able to do multi-table pivot tables, a number of different approaches could be used. One of the recommended approach is to use a tool called Power Pivot, which is an Excel application add-in. To access the tool, you will need to enable the tool by typing Power Pivot in the search tool and access Go to Power Pivot window. Enable the add-in. To set up the multiple table relationships, all the tables have to be imported into the data model, which is the collection of tables in the memory usable by Excel. Find the table that will be exported. Make sure that the table name is easy to understand, as you will be referencing to it later. Click on Power Pivot menu and add to Data Model. Repeat the process for all the tables required. Notice the tabs with the table names are now imported into Power Pivot. In the example provided, there are the salesperson data and financial data table. There is a shared key of salesperson ID in which the relationship has to be set up. On the Power Pivot windows, click on Home and the diagram wheel. Drag the salesperson ID field to each other to set up the relationship. To create the pivot table with all the tables in the relationship, click on the Home menu and Pivot Table icon to set up a new pivot table. The new pivot table now has views of both tables. You can use all the Power Pivot functionalities to generate whatever report you would like. One quick tip is to utilize slices, timelines, and Power Pivot charts together to create dynamic charts, which are extra useful. This concludes this episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any Excel questions, please write down in the comments below, and see you in the next episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang.